is a big-ass motherfucking hoop.
Push stop?
Yep, I already pushed it. Check this thing out. They're gonna beat the world record, right? How long do you think that thing is? She's hooping! Oh shit. I dare you to take that to Vortex. All the parties you've been to, have you ever seen anybody spin one that, or hoop that one that big?
No.
Keep it going! Stand towards me. Like a little at a time. This thing's fucking huge. Ooh, AJ. Oh shit! Anti-spin. Go. Keep it up. What is she gonna do next? Ooh, AJ. Try to do your arm thing. Yeah, right, your arms like you have to be on stilts in order to do that. That thing's only meant to go around your body that way. Doesn't that hurt your boobies?
Nope.
Slow-mo. Dude, do the slow-mo thing, though. You're like running through it. Looks like you're running. Oh. Oh. You're getting too close to me. That thing's about to hit me. That's a workout and a half right there. Woo! Fucking AJ, dude. Check her out. That thing is no problem for you. Sweet. Did you get my text this morning when I'm all schmorg? Or what did I say? What did I say? I'm all, that's shaboinkin. For nerd. That's our language. Oh no, I said something for sweet. Schwarg. Some shit. Norg. Oh shit. AJ busted out. I gotta back up. I can't even see you. I can't believe you held it up that long though. Now where do I touch it? Stop.